And that makes me feel better. Because I mean, I'm the kind of asshole. Tokyo sucks. You would think someone at the name of Tokyo would be a little interesting. Maybe it's fun. The only thing she's apparently fun is like sexual activities. Other than that, she's a complete dumbass. And Rio was like, you love me. And Tokyo's like, okay.
Alright, hold on, because
Okay.
I mean, there's people up there.
What? Oh. Tokyo's
Okay, this is the end of the trail.
Do you have to go back? Is there another package? We can just follow this one back.
We can follow this one back, or we can take another one back.
What could be harder? What do you mean? Dang on. Dang on. Dang on.
What's something wrong with you?
What are we doing? We're going back.
Well, see right there? See? You gotta walk all the way around. There's some cliffs
See?
over there. You go around there, that's another 5
I
hours.
go that way.
That's about another 5 hours.
It's
you can go.
not another 5 hours.
What's the other trail?
That's
that way.
9.5 hours.
Yeah, that one goes completely around the island. You don't want to do that one.
That one goes how long?
That one, it's another way to get back.
I'd rather just...
This is a different way, though. That's more rock and less root.
Well, see, the thing is with that one, that's actually like
That's a good one. I like that
three
one.
trails, like actually 2 trails in one.
No. That way we got lost.
Lost that one.
No, that trail is still defined. That one actually
That was
isn't.
the hard one. Remember
That
the hard
way.
one that was up like this? That was up like this? That one
Do you
goes
want to
down.
stop and have some fruit and water?
I'd just rather get this over with.
No, we need to actually rest for a minute. I know. Look at the beautiful view, Dylan.
I can see this on Google.
No, you can't see this on Google. Not like this. You smell it.
I got high def monitor right there.
You hear the high def monitor. Smell the salt. Hear the water. The seagulls. You do not hate seagulls. They're not sky rats. Dylan, they're like my favorite bird.
What kind of type of bird are they? They're scavengers. We don't eat anything in the ground. And they go, yeah, they're sky rats.